Mr. Giles, and today we're going to talk about 5 stick figure hacks and tricks that I think everyone should know when using Pivot. Okay, so here we go. Number 1, uh, how to insert frames. So if you're doing an animation and it jumps too far, you're like, oh man, I really needed to add another frame in here. All you have to do is go to the frame right before you wanted to do it. So for example, this microwave is too far up. I'm going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to right click and say insert. And you'll see that now it has stuck a copy of that microwave there. And now I'm going to take that and move it down so that it makes a better transition. And then I just click on the next frame. And now my microwave is a little bit smoother when it falls. Okay, that's number 1. Uh, Trick number 1. Pause. Hold on. How do I pause? Sorry. Anyway, trick number 2, how to delete multiple frames. So let's say you've got like a whole bunch of frames you want to delete because you want to start over. So you click on one frame, and then you right click and select multi-select. There's another way to do it. You can click on one frame, hold down the shift key, and select, and then you can hit delete right here, and that will delete multiple frames like that. Now the other way you can do this is you can actually hold down control, and let's say you want to get rid of every other frame like that because you want to make it, I don't know, it's too jerky or whatever. You can do that, and you can delete every other frame. That's a really cool feature. Here's another thing you can do. If you select multiple, let's say I want to get rid of the guy from the frames, I can click on him. If I select him and I have these frames selected, when I hit delete, it will delete that character from all those frames. I think I've given you 3 tricks already, so you're already getting your money's worth here. Okay, last 2. Um, I cannot recommend enough. I'm going to open up another animation. File, open animation. We're going to do drop stuff on Franklin. Save changes. No. Okay. So on this animation here, uh, I want to show you how I make my animations better. I use these keys right here. I'm going to say it again. The greater than and oops, the greater than and less than sign on your keyboard. Now, if you look at my screen, you'll see that it moves back and forth as I push left or right. I can watch my animation one frame at a time. And if I want to see the frames on it, I click on it. And by the way, edit, options, onion skin, turn on onion skins. That will make everything a little better. In fact, you can sit on show ahead, and it will show like where it's going. So you can sort of see like where it ended up. I like to have that less numbers on that. So normally I have it on just 4 so I can see where it was headed. Okay, so using the left and right is a power tool, and you should all do it. And then someone said, how do you add text? That's really easy. You go to File, Create Text Object, and you say Add. You type in your text and you say Add. And boom, now you can animate the text on the screen. Oh, this is also a really cool move. I will show you. File, Open Animation. I'm going to open this back up. If you watch, you take your character. If you want to rotate your character so they can spin, like you want to spin them around, hold Control and Alt at the same time, and then you can. Then I'm using spacebar, and you can hit that play, and then your character can spin around in the air. There you go. That's 6 tips. Did I give you too many tips? Oh, all right. My final tip to being a better animator. Uh, this is one of the principles of animation. It's called anticipation. And hey guys, I need you to be like way quieter. It's called anticipation. I'm in class right now, so it's called anticipation. Anticipation is the pause before an action happens. Beginning animators don't do this. They like, for example, if this thing were gonna fall, they would just like, I'm gonna do this for you guys. I'm gonna delete all those frames, and they would just do this. So the thing would just literally fall out of the sky, and it would be really fast and hard to see. So good animators do this. There's the difference here. I'll do the same exact basic animation, but This time, I'm literally going to have 10 frames of the guy just standing there. I'm at about 19 frames per second, something like that. I'm going to have him look up. I'm helping you see what's about to happen. I'm going to go like 5 or 6 frames like that. Then my object is going to fall in the screen. And the better way to do this is use arrow keys, but like, and then have him look down. And let's watch that. Then you know what's happening. Also, I like to hit like 10, 20 frames at the end of a frame. End of an action, I like it to freeze so I can see what happened. Okay, there's your tips and tricks. I hope some of those are helpful. Like and subscribe, whatever. I mean, I do care.